Hi kids, welcome to 2G Kids. Today we are going to learn the numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. 0 1 1 2 1 2 2 3 1 2 3 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 10 1 0 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 0 10. Let's count again from the beginning. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 0 10. Yay! Good job, kids. Thank you for watching. If you liked our videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video.